My name is Nina Nguyen, and I'm an incoming master's student at the University of Washington studying human-centered design and engineering. I did my undergrad at UCI, or University of California in Irvine, and I graduated with a bachelor's in psychology and a minor in sociology. A fun fact about me is that I am left-handed, and since lefties are often linked to creativity, I like to think that's why I loved doing arts and craft as a kid, and eventually why I pivoted from youth education to a more creative field like UX UI design. My favorite Figma feature is definitely components. I really learned to appreciate it over time. I find it really amazing that when you change one component, it updates everything else pretty instantly. And I find that it has definitely streamlined my workload and made my life a lot easier. On my campus, I would love to host a workshop on auto layout. When I first started designing on Figma, I could not seriously figure out auto layout. My mentor at that time told me to not feel discouraged, and she told me to keep practicing and one day it will magically click. And safe to say now, it did click. So with that experience, I would love to help out beginning designers like the past me get more comfortable with auto layout. I feel like auto layout is such an important foundation when it comes to building components and ensuring designs are responsive. So I would love to make that learning curve a lot easier for those starting out. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to hear back from you, Figma.